Getting a new card from Capital One is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by phone, or in person. To replace a Capital One card with a new one, follow these steps. First, determine why you need a new card. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to request a replacement card. If your card is expiring, Capital One will automatically send you a new card before the expiration date. To request a replacement card, sign in to your Capital One account online and navigate to the account settings or card details section. Look for the option to request a replacement card and click on it. You will be asked to confirm your identity and provide a reason for the replacement. Alternatively, you can call the phone number on the back of your card or the Capital One customer service number. To request a replacement card, be prepared to provide your account information and answer security questions to verify your identity. If you prefer to visit a bank branch, you can go to a Capital One location and speak with a representative. They will guide you through the process of requesting a replacement card. In all cases, you will need to provide your name, account number, and other identifying information to verify your identity. Once your request is processed, your new card will be mailed to you within a few business days. It is essential to activate your new card as soon as you receive it to avoid any disruptions to your account. You can activate your card online, by phone, or through the Capital One mobile app. Best practices include monitoring your account activity closely after requesting a replacement card, to ensure no unauthorized transactions occur. Also, be sure to update any recurring payments or account links with your new card information to avoid missed payments. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can quickly and easily get a new card from Capital One and continue using your account without interruption. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent unauthorized access.